How to create an About Us page on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create and customize your own About page or About Us page on Shopify. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the video from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go to Shopify.com. Then you have to set up your account. By setting up your account, I mean the products and the plan. After that is finished, you are going to visit the online store under the sales channels. Click on it, and here it will let you see the theme settings. But before we proceed to the customization of the theme, we are going simply to click on pages. And here on pages, I am going to create a page or a specific page called About Us. Click on Add Page right here, and here we have the content of the page. For example, I'm going simply to click on Title. Then I'm going to put for here About Us and let it right here page. I'm going to name it page so I will not confuse them or confuse this page with others. And here for the content, you are going to put a description. For example, this is the basic solution, or you can let it here blank and go back right here. Simply, we are going to set this page first. We are going to link it. Here we have the page. You can go ahead and view the page right now. We will see here we have the About Us page and it is a blank page. Go right here. Then I'm going to the navigation. And under the navigation, we have here menus. I'm going to select the main menu from here, click on it, and then we are going to add the About Us page that I have created. Here, as you can see, I have already a About Us. I'm going to delete that page. And then simply I'm going to add a menu item. Click on it. Here I'm going to put About Us like that. And on the search or paste a link section, we are going to click on it. Here we have the choice to choose a page from. Since we have created this page on pages, click on pages. And here it will show us the pages that we have created. We have the old About Us page and we have the new About Us page. Click on it, click on add, and here it will appear in the menu. So to make it visible or more visible from the beginning to the website, we are going to click on it, drag and drop it under the home. Click on save, and here we go. Now, let's go ahead back to themes. But before we can go and customize, we are going to see the position of the About Us page. Here, as you can see, it is after the home button. When you click on it, it is a empty page. Now, let's go ahead back to the theme, click on customize. Then we are going simply to select the page. I'm going to exit that. Here we have the About Us page. When you click on it, it will load up the page. If you don't want to click on here or you don't find the page clickable right here, you are going to click on this page right here, then select pages, and you will see here the default page. You can assign to 6 pages, or you can go ahead and create a template and name it About Us like that. And you are going to make it or base it on the default page. You can create a template for that. Now, let's go ahead and customize our page. As you can see, here we have the preview, we have the header, template, and the footer. I'm going to add something to the template since it is blank. For the header, we have the announcement bar. We have the custom liquid. This is a code that I have set from Snap Pixel. And I'm going to delete that so it will be more clearer. And here we have also another code. You can add a selection or a section right here. You can add a before and after slider, announcement bar, multi-column, and etc. I'm going to add something to the template. Click on add section. Here we are going to put, for example, a image with banner like that. And let's say that this is a welcome page. I'm going to put here I'm selecting all that title from here, and simply we are going to put like that. I can go ahead and put the heading right here. Welcome, like that, to our page. You can go ahead and put the heading smaller. You can also put it bold like that. And here we have the description of this page. You can go ahead and put the description for it. And finally, we have the images. Click on image and select a image or upload it from wherever you want. Let's say that we have this as a welcome image. Click on done. You are going to be added this page or this image. Now you can go ahead and modify the this section from wherever you want. I'm going back right here to the header, or we are going to use some theme right here, colors. I'm going to select a scheme, for example. I will make this background like that. This is for the header and the footer. Now let's go back right here and put it like this. And then we are going simply to be back right here. And here we have the header. When you click on the header, you can go ahead and change the menu of it. Or you can select a color scheme, for example, like that. And this is much simpler. Here we have the About Us page. You can go ahead and delete that page or make it hidden. And simply we are going to select and continue creating some sections. We have here the welcome. I'm going simply to delete that button since we are not going to use it. Click on delete. You can add a block. We have a caption block or a button. I'm going to add another section, which is a slideshow, for example. Here we are going to put for a slideshow, or let me tell you something. We don't need a slideshow, but we need something else. You can add a multi-column like that. And here we are going to select every column and simply are going to add an image to it. For example, this one, we have this column image. And for that one, we have a specific other image. And for this, lastly, I'm going to add another image. Let's say that this is it. And for the text, I'm going simply, this is only giving you some ideas on how about you can make some designs or make some modification. I'm going to name the column, for example, this one. Let's take it as our story. And for the second one, click on it, and here we have the heading, and put our beginning. And for the last one, here we are. For example, you can go ahead and put that like this, and you can go ahead and modify each description, and you can also delete that button. This is an unnecessary button. Let's see here where we have it. That button is not what do we want. You can go ahead and let that button or remove it. It is up to you. You can add another column, for example. And here we are going back to the sections. I'm going to add here, for example, a video or a sign up. Let's say that I want to put a collapsible content. Here, simply you are going to select the collapsible content. I'm going to change the color scheme of it to this green or not. I'm going to put it here like that, this gray. Then in the title of the collapsible content, I'm going to put FAQ, which is the frequently asked questions. I'm going to put the heading as large, and the alignment is in the center. Here we have the collapsible rows. I'm going to put here collapsible, for example, how is the quality of service? Question mark. And here you can go ahead and set some row content. You can make the icon here check mark or chat bubble or a box or whatever you have. You can put a banana, a clipboard, for example, like that. I'm going to put a row content, for example. How's the quality is top notch. Here we have it. Now for the next one, I'm going to put another question. For example, uh, how is it possible to make payments in your platform? Like that. And here we have it, question mark. And then we are going to put the raw content. We accept like that. All online payments, and here we have it. I'm going to delete those. This is only for the sake of the video. I have created two FAQs, and for example, when you click on one, it will go ahead and drop the answer, and for this also it will drop the answer. You can customize these sections on or however you want. You can set a right here a welcome page or a welcome banner. You can also add for example, a featured collection or a rich text. You can add like that, rich text, and then the section will be right here. I'm going to drag and drop it, for example, right here from here to the beginning, like that, between the multi-column and the welcome. Here you can add some text, you can add some links, and etc. When you finish everything, you are going simply to click on save, and here we have the page. I'm going right here to wait for the modification to finish up. As you can see, it is loading, and then we are going to visit the website. Simply, we are going to wait for the content, and here we have it. This is the About Us page. When you click on it, it will take you right away to the About Us page, and here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.